Poco X7 series all set launch tomorrow in India, with Poco X7 and Poco X7 Pro. The Poco X7 rebranded Redmi Note 14 Pro with a smaller battery, while the Poco X7 Pro renamed version of the Redmi Turbo 4. Poco's Thailand branch also posted a picture of the Poco X7 Pro Iron Man edition. It's also protected by IP68. Poco X7 Pro should come with a 6.67-inch 1.5K AMOLED flat display with 120Hz refresh rate and up to 3200 nits of peak brightness with Corning Gorilla Glass 7 eye protection on top, and an in-display fingerprint scanner. Poco X7 Pro powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8400 Ultra chipset, up to 12GB of LPDDR4X RAM and up to 512GB of internal storage. The phone will run on Android 15 with a layer of HyperOS 2.0 on top. It comes with a dual camera sensor with a 50MP primary shooter with OIS and EIS and an 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens. A 20MP shooter for selfies. Poco X7 Pro packs a 6000 mAh battery with support for 90W fast charging. The Poco X7 Pro will be priced under 30,000 rupees in India. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.